This tutorial will show you how to make shapes in Photoshop. Click on this icon and hold down. From here you can select here rectangular shape, rounded rectangular shape, ellipse tool, polygon tool, line tool, and click on custom shape tool and click on the shape option. From this list you can select any shape and now draw your shape here. This is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.